Check this out, guys. On this social media platform, I'm getting 4.4 thousand monthly views with just 14 followers, and this is just like my dummy account. I created this account a couple of months back just to test one single traffic source, and as you can see right here, ever since then I'm getting at least 100 views per day just from a couple of posts that I was able to post here, because pretty much all I did was just post a couple of posts and literally forgot about this account. And now that I discovered it, I'm seeing it's still generating views. You can see all the data are not in yet as of today, but you can see right here that anywhere between 100 to 200 views per day in the past couple of weeks I was getting just from this one single account without spending any time or effort into it. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how to tap into this exact same traffic source and make money with it, and because I'm going to show you how to get content for your account very easily in just a couple of seconds, you can literally do this on your phone or on your laptop in 1 or 2 minutes per day, and over time you can get thousands if not hundreds of thousands of views. Now once you get an audience just like this, all you need then is just the right affiliate offer to promote, and you can make anywhere between $50 to $150 per day just by doing this. So just hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also do let me know down in the comments if you're going to use this traffic source to make money, or if you're going to just build your social media following because that's something that you like doing. So the social media platform I was talking about earlier is called Pinterest. Just go to pinterest.com, and as you can see right here, this is like a board where you can see literally hundreds if not thousands of themed pins for whatever you may want to search for. So pretty much every niche out there is represented on Pinterest, and if I'm going to check it out using the similar web extension, you can see that this website is getting almost 1 billion views every single month. That's literally almost 1,000 million views that of people that are coming to this website, and a huge majority of them is coming from United States and other tier 1 countries, tier 1 traffic countries. So this website is a very good traffic source for affiliate marketing, and all you need to do to tap into that traffic source is just get your free account, create a couple of posts per day, and it's going to spread like wildfire. So pretty much what you want to do is click on this sign up button, and you want to fill in your email address, choose a strong password, and also go ahead and fill in your date of birth. So just go ahead and fill in all these fields, then just click on continue and you will get your account. And once you got it, just log right into it. And as you can see, this is the dummy account I was showing you earlier. I'm getting 4.6 thousand views per month using it, and the pins that I'm posting people have saved over 240 times. Now I just got 12 outbound clicks from my pins, but that's because I'm not putting call to action into my pins. This entire account was created just to test this traffic source. So if you go to the home feed, you can see there's literally hundreds of pins that you can find for different niches out there, and pretty much all of these pins are getting thousands of views. And if I'm going to open up, for example, this one, you can see that this person has over 190,000 followers. And if I was able to get 4.5 thousand views with my 14 followers, imagine how many views this pin has. So to tap into this unlimited traffic source, I'm going to show you how to do that very easily, very quickly, without breaking any rules, so you can monetize this traffic too. So first of all, what you want to do is go to clickbank.com and obviously go ahead and sign up for your free account. If you're new to ClickBank and never been here before, then just log right into your account. And once you get to the affiliate marketplace, you can choose from one of these niches that you can promote on Pinterest. Literally for every niche that you can see on ClickBank, you can find relevant content that you can post to Pinterest, and you can monetize the traffic that you're going to get from all these views here. So just go ahead and select one of these niches that you want to go for, and pretty much one of the high converting offers that you can use for Pinterest is found in spirituality and new age beliefs. You can see right at the top, the highest converting offer is going to be paying you $48 in average conversions, and it has gravity score of 312, which means this is going to be selling like hotcakes. And you can see this offer has also recurring rebill of $17, which is going to be paying you money on Autopilot in the future for every successful sale of this product. Now pretty much you can scroll through these offers and find one that you want to go with. So if I'm going to check out other offers right here, for example, you can see this moon reading astrology course will pay you $24 on average for the first sale, but it also has a very nice recurring rebill. So what you want to do is pick one of these offers that you want to go with. For example, in this case, I'm going to try this wealth manifestation offer, so I'm going to check out its sales page, because you want something with very convincing sales page. So I'm just going to check out the text version of this sales page, and as you can see right here, this is something that's offering a lot of value at first, and whoever is going to come to this sales page and is interested in this niche is very probable to make a purchase. So I'm just going with this product right here that's called Wealth Manifestation Offer, and to promote it I'm just going to grab its affiliate link, fill in my ClickBank nickname just like that. I'm just going to create my hop link, and this is the affiliate link that I'm going to use to promote this offer on Pinterest. Now because you cannot post affiliate links directly to Pinterest, what you want to do is copy this link, then just go to Google Sites and you want to recreate this sales page as genuinely as possible. So I'm just going to delete this stuff, I'm not going to be using it, go back to sales page, and this image is something that I want to use, so I'm just going to screenshot it just like this along with the text that's in there. Okay, then just go back to my Google site, paste it in there, so it's going to be like this huge banner at the top of my landing page just like this. Then just go back to the sales page and I'm going to screenshot this part with the text that you can see right here. I'm just going to screenshot it instead of copying it, and I'm going to show you why in just a couple of seconds, but just do that at first, then just paste it to your Google site and also go ahead and stretch it so it's going to fill the page. Once you do that, what you want to do is reload this sales page from ClickBank, because you want to get to this video section and you want to screenshot this part with the video that's right here just like that, and also go ahead and paste it to your Google site above this text, because whoever is going to come to this site, they're going to see that they can play this video and they are going to try to do that, and we are going to play that to our advantage. So just recreate it something like this, and then just go down here and you want to place a button. Just place a button, name it something like check it out now, and make sure to paste your affiliate link into this link button. Then just position it below the video, go to this left section and click on this palette button, and you want to select style of the image. So pretty much you choose one of these styles that you want to go with. For example, I'm going with this one because it's going to make the button a lot larger, just like that. Then what you want to do is select this video image and you want to click on this link button, because you're going to be embedding this image too with your affiliate link, so that whoever's going to come to the sales page, they're going to try to play this video, they will be taken to the sales page where they can watch it, and because they already seen this image on your landing page, they're going to be very familiar with it and they're going to play it right here. But if they do not choose to play this video from the landing page, they're going to click on this check it out button and they will be taken to the sales page anyway. So that's the entire point of this Google site, to point the traffic from Pinterest to the sales page without breaking any rules. So once you create something like this, then I'm also going to name it something at the top, for example like DNA Wealth Code, just like that. Then I'm just going to click on publish, and this site's going to need a web address, so I'm just going to type in there something like that, then just click on publish, and this site's going to get published, and if I'm going to view it, it's going to look something like this. Pretty much this is the entire point of these landing pages, Google landing pages, so you can point the traffic from the traffic source to the sales page. So once you create a landing page just like this, it's going to be done. This is one-time process, all you have to do is create it once, and then what you want to do is go to TikTok and you want to search for content that you can post on Pinterest. Now what you want to do is go to the search bar and look for something related to the affiliate offer that you're going to be promoting. So in this case it's this Wealth DNA code, so I'm just going to search for manifest wealth and success. I'm going to search for this type of TikToks, and as you can see right here, you get hundreds of them that you can use for this method. Pretty much what you want to do is choose one that you want to go with. For example, let's go with this one right here, and all you have to do then is just go to this section where it says copy link and copy the link to this TikTok. Then just go back to Google, and you want to search for TikTok downloader, just like that. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first site that's called ssstik.io. Open that app, and it's very easy to use. All you need to do is just paste the link into the search bar, click on download, and you get to choose if you want to download the MP3 to this video or watermark for this video. Just click on without watermark, because you don't want to be posting this with TikTok watermark to Pinterest. And once your video gets downloaded, you want to go back to Pinterest, go to this section, click on create a new pin, and then pretty much just upload the video that you grabbed from TikTok, just like that. Then just go to this title section, and what you want to do here is write something that has to do with affiliate product. So I'm just going to go back to the sales page, and I'm going to copy this headline of the product, go back to Pinterest, paste it in there as a title, and as you can see it's too long, so I'm just going to shorten it up a little bit by deleting this part right here. Okay, this works very well. Then just go down here, and in this description you want to paste again something from the sales page. So I'm just going to copy, for example, this part right here, go back to Pinterest, paste it in the description just like that. Then what you want to do is type in this description the name of the original author of the TikTok, because you want to give credit to whoever created this TikTok, and that way not only you're not going to get in trouble with any of these platforms or the creator, you're going to drive traffic to their TikTok page, and that way you're going to help them in the process. So what you want to do is pretty much just copy the name of the author, go back to Pinterest, then type in their original credit on TikTok, and the name of the creator. It's simple as that. That way you will not only get in trouble with Pinterest or TikTok, but you will be helping the creator. Then what you want to do down here in this destination link, you want to paste the link to your Google Bridge page. So just copy it, paste it in there, and then also you can add a couple of hashtags in this field. So for example, let's see in there money quotes or anything related to making money. Then what you want to do is go up here and you want to create a board for your pins, and make sure you're going to add all the similar pins into one board, because that way they're going to be connected, and whoever's going to be visiting your board, they can view all of these, and that's going to improve your chance of getting a sale. So I have just posted this pin to Pinterest, and as you can see right here, whoever's going to come here and they will be interested in seeing this TikTok and they want to learn more, they will go to your Google landing site, and that way they will be taken to the sales page, and once they make a purchase, you're going to get paid. Now this entire process takes literally just a couple of seconds if you're not recording in it, explaining what you're doing. Pretty much just first of all go to ClickBank, find an affiliate offer that you want to promote, create a landing site that you're going to embed with the affiliate link, and that's going to take a couple of minutes, okay? But once you do that, you don't have to do it anymore, because you can use this landing site in as many Pinterest posts as you want. Then comes the easy part. Just go to TikTok, find a relevant video to the niche that you're going to be promoting, copy its link, download it, post it to Pinterest, copy and paste description from the sales page, embed it with your Google landing site, post it, and that's pretty much done. So once you get a hang of it, it's going to take you like a 30 seconds up to 1 minute per one single post. And the best part about this is once you're going to be creating these, you can actually schedule, I'm going to show you how to do that. You can actually schedule multiple of these pins, so they are going to be posted at different times. So you can literally spend like 1 hour doing this, and you can prepare content for the entire week. And once you start doing this on a regular basis, you can see you can get thousands of views, monthly views to your pins, and that way you can drive traffic to your affiliate link, and that way you can make some sales. Now if you want to learn some more advanced ways how to make money with affiliate marketing, and you want to learn the exact same way that I'm using myself to generate at least $6,000 every single month, you can see I made $6,000 in the last 30 days, and just for last month I was able to make almost $6,000 without like $28. I was $28 shy of 6,000. So if you want to learn this exact same method, just go to the first link in the video description and check out the coaching program where I'm going to teach you exactly this same way. Now if you want to see some more money making methods that you can try out right now for free, check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.